Are you a teacher looking to get out into the field and bring an experiential framework back into your classroom? Ecology Project International is a nonprofit organization that engages local communities in youth development, leadership, and habitat conservation. And we run world-class science programs. The EPI Teacher Fellowship was established in 2013 as a professional development program that gives a diverse range of educators an opportunity to dive into real-world conservation projects, collaborate with other teachers, and learn EPI's methods for teaching field science.
Highlights of the fellowship, so many.
Probably snorkeling with the sea lions.
Swimming with the whale sharks.
Engaging with like-minded educators.
Applications are now being accepted for our 2023 programs in Yellowstone, Baja, and Costa Rica. If you or someone you know would be a great fit for this program, apply online through September 1st at www.ecologyproject.org/fellowships. We can't wait to meet you.